And straw breath in and go. Come on. Let's have a bit of a belt. Hey, Kurapa. Tauihu te waka.
Ngāti Koata, representing the Tauihu o te waka, performed by Kia Ngāwari at the 1990 festival up in Waitangi, singing about their iwi Ngāti Koata, written by the genius Tommy Taurima, and in the style that is his signature, I think, is a signature style of Tommy's. And he wrote a number of songs in this particular style. I think the most famous of those styles would be Paikea, that was performed by Wihongi in 1988. Ngāti Koata was the dark horse, I think, in the whole thing, but the potential for this song was always there. So we had a job rearranging the notes, but it was choice because many of the performers who sang the song had also performed Paikea too. So all I had to say was, oh, this song is in the style of Paikea too. And everyone just went, oh, click.
Ko Tainui te wakatipua, ho turoa te rangati ratoa, ko te korotangi te manuai rua. Ngāti Koata, that's probably the one that's really captured me. It's a beautiful waiata. I was a little bit gutted at the start because they said they're going to drop it. But, yeah, I ki te rātou te māramatanga. Tēnā rā tātou, ko Ruth Whaitiri tōku ingoa, he mokopuna tēnei o te tairawhiti nui tonu. I think I've been fortunate enough to grow up in te tairawhiti, and so we've been influenced by a lot of the, I consider anyway, to be a lot of the greats of te ao kapahaka. A lot of the people that influenced me growing up, they were my aunties and uncles and my cousins. I suppose we were taken under their wing as like their own children, and so I think that's what makes them so special and so influential in the way you remember them all the time because they're just always there. A lot of growlings. And, you know, even now, teaching kapahaka to tamariki, you take all that mātauranga, all that knowledge that you've learned from these people and you're able to give back to te ao haka in the world that we were brought up
in. Louis. Always been the life of the party, the bomb of the party. Straight talker and big sound. So it was choice to have Louis on board, and I had worked with Louis when he was at Kura at Ritana, and then ka pake ke mai ai ka kite e roto I te kapo te Waihirere, Eruera ka rongo anō hoki te whakapake ke tanga mai o tōna reo. Even at Kura o Manituke, ko ia tētahi o ngā reo nui I reira. Nā wai, ka piri atu ki whāngara mai ta whiti, ana ka rongo anō hoki I te kaha o tōna reo, you know, in their tenor section. So it was choice to have that sound on board, not just as a sound that can hit the notes, but can have surety in that section. And that's Louis. So always the life of the party, always challenging, and then always cracking it when he needs to crack it too.
On the paper it says e te kingi. So what do we do? Te.
Ana matariki e te
kingi tu hei te. All right.
So it's in.
E kingi.
Yeah.
E kingi tu hei te.
The matariki e, kanakana ana mai matariki e is the us. And then use te kingi tu hei te.
We're te kingi.
And then we're e noho mai rā te kingi tanga e. Te kingi tū hei tia.
Oh, no, yeah, you're all right, too.
So te.
Mihi mai rā.
Sorry, Mahari.
Man, I just scripted it off. Throw me off.
There was a moment in time where we thought, are we actually going to pull this off? And are we actually going to pull this off? And, you know, but a mataku there. And it was like, I don't think we can. So it did come off the table and it was replaced with another one, which was by the same team, by Kia Ngāwari, and it was to the tune of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. And we listened to Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Yep, awesome composition. And yeah, we could probably pull that off. But it was like, nah, I think we just need to give this a chance. And I'm so glad we did.
Te Tauihu o te waka. Te kaua o Tainui e.
He āhua rereke ki te mahi wēnei momo tapu i konei. Me te tū ki te taha o ngā tino taniwha o te matatini, ki te waiata. E hara tēnā i te challenge me kira i te wero. Engari, ko te wero ki ahau, kia piki ahau, kia orite. Kia orite ki wā rātou nā me ki mana. Ko te mana nui.
Kana kana na mai matari ki e. He no mai ra te kingi tama e. Wai kato. Wai kato. Ke te mihi, ke te piri whānau, mata. Pati koata.